Hello students, today's topic is the value of production या value added या production method or the calculation of GDP or the national income is done on the different sectors of the economy, like primary sector. In the primary sectors, in a broad sense, it includes agricultural and allied activities or the related activities with the agriculture, not only agriculture, forestry and lodging, fishing, mining, quarrying, all the things which are directly involved in the land, it is in the primary sector. In the secondary sector, the manufacturing sectors are included where the shape, size or utility of the goods are changed or increased, that is manufacturing sector. In this manufacturing sector, there is a registered or unregistered, both manufacturing, both are included, and construction, electricity, gas and water supplies, all these activities are included in this. In the tertiary sector, transport, communication and trades are included, in which railway and other means of transport and storage is also included. Communication and the different ways of communication is included here. Financial and real estate transactions like banking, insurance, real estate, ownership, dwelling of the business services, providing the business services, all these services are included. Now, public and community services are also included here, like schools, public administration, defense and other services are also included. So, thus primary sector, tertiary sector and secondary sectors, all the activities, economic activities taking place here are included, and the value added, we will discuss this value added in the next topic. So, value added at each level is included in the production method. Value of output is done measured at the market price. All the goods and services produced in one domestic territory in one accounting year is the total national gross national income. This gross national income gross domestic income is included calculated at the market price, and market price and factor cost we have seen. Gross and net, we will see that the gross and net, gross means gross national product, gross domestic product. Net means net domestic product and net national product. This gross and net has a difference of depreciation. The depreciation we have studied in the previous lecture. Depreciation is the loss of value of the capital assets. When this loss of value of a capital assets is decreased or minus or subtracted from the domestic calculation, it became net domestic or net national. And when this depreciation is added in the net calculation, it became gross calculation. In same way, factor cost and market price. When the indirect taxes and subsidy, indirect taxes are included and subsidy is subtracted, in the calculation it became market price. Or when subsidy is added and indirect tax is subtracted, it becomes factor cost. In easy language we can say net indirect tax. Net indirect tax means indirect taxes minus subsidy. So, net indirect tax, when it is added, it became market price, and when net indirect taxes are subtracted, it became factor cost calculation. Okay. We will see the next topic for